Hello students, my name is Munish Narsian. I am CAD faculty at IIG and today we are going to see how we can make this type of Wolf Signet Ring. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First things first, we'll take ring rail, default size US 7. Then we will take a center circle. In top view, we will do 0, enter. And let's say diameter will be 12 mm, enter. Now in front, we'll move this up till the ring rail and we will click on gumball, up arrow, and let's just do 2, enter. Now in front itself, we'll offset this by 1.5 outside and rebuild the outer circle to 8, enter. F10 to get the points. Select the 3 upper points and just drag the gumball like this till I have done in the design. Now we will change the color of the outer circle to, let's say, red, and in right view we will take curve, keep end snap on. From top to bottom we'll make a shape like this. Okay, just follow how I'm taking a shape like this. Okay, now once the curve has been done, select the curve and rebuild to 8, enter. And we will delete these 2 points to, let's say, get a smooth shape over here, and now mirror it on the opposite side. Now in perspective, we'll split the outer shape with the curve that we have created. Okay, now let's go in front view, select the smaller circle, copy paste, and bring one of them at the bottom below the center approximately, and with the red dot we'll just move this outside till shape. Now we'll confirm this in perspective. We'll hide the ring rail, box select all the curves and type command network surface. Okay, you can see the text over here in the right. This is a command network surface. Now bring back the ring rail, select, and with the arrow dot we'll just drag this approximately outside and hold shift to get on both sides. Type command cap by selecting this surface itself. So it will create into a solid part. Now Boolean difference, select upper ring, the solid part, select the cutter and enter. And now to get a flat surface above this over here, okay, we'll select the small circle, shift and drag outside approximately. Command loft, and again we will do over here is a Boolean difference to get a cutter over here. Okay, we'll confirm this thing once, and as per the image we have got the flat structure. Now let's do select curve and hide all the curves. Now to get a structure on top like there is in the image, we will type command dupe edge and click on edge of this thing. Now we have a curve. Now you can either drag inside this curve itself or offset as per the measurement. Now with the gumball, the inner curve, with the gumball dot, we'll shift, drag this up, let's say around 0.5 mm. Cap, and again we will do is Boolean difference, and here we have got a cut over here. Now for the shape, let's select image, go in top view, and we will resize this approximately as per the curves that we have. Now we will assign the image to layer and lock this thing. Now we'll select the curve and start tracing the wolf part as per the image over here. Okay, so I will just fast forward this thing till the time I have completed this tracing part. Okay, so now once we have completed the tracing, okay, we'll hide the image, box select the curves and command join. Again select the curves, we'll go in front view and here we will do extrude curve, that will be 0.8 upside. Now currently this is on 0, okay, it is on center. So we'll go in front view, let's say we'll go in front view and move this up till the cutter, the cut we have got over here, and with this arrow we'll move 0.4 upside. Now you can either adjust the wolf as per you or keep the same. Now I will do is change the layer of this thing and will change from shaded to machine, and you can see over here our final look is ready, and so is our design. And that's it for today guys, till the time we meet in our next video. Thank you.